Hi guys! For today's video, kick a friend for Brainlots. There's a new rebirth. So 5 rebirth. So this game is a new release. And new Brainlots Celestial. Wow! So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 new Brainlots, guys. So we're gonna collect that. So, are you ready? Let's go! And here's my base. Full of dragon, cannelloni, there's a galaxy, void, and neon. So, that was my best Brainlot. I also bought the 2 times cash, 2 times mutation, and auto collect. So, I don't need to walk the money to collect. I will just wait. And there's also the starter pack, pro pack, and others shop you can buy to help you grow faster. Now let's see the weight. Weights. My best weight is neon. So the giant gold star weight, I can use it now. So here's the leaderboard. So I'm number 1 on money and power. So there is Lando. Wow! He reached the maximum rebirth, 20. So we're gonna catch it up. Okay, are you ready to get Celestial? Okay, and we're gonna do this. I think 10 billion powers complete Celestial. Let's see. Yes, we got it. And now, oh, we got Octopus. Second the rarest of the Celestial. Whoa, the tsunami is so close to me. Oh no! I'm too slow. We need to upgrade speed. Okay, gonna upgrade speed. Gonna upgrade speed maybe until 120. This is okay. Now let's try it again. Oh, we got the hit. Perfect.
Let's celebrate!
Okay, wow. This is the Lavaka. We get a ruby. This is good. Let's see that tsunami. Whoa! Wow! I hope you survive. Oh no, it's reaching me. Oh no! Run fast up. You are too slow. Oh man. I should not look at the back. Okay, let me try again. I will not look at the back. I'm going straight forward. Those tsunami, I hope you survive. Let's go! Okay, I'm gonna run it straight past in the safe zone. Look at the octopus diamond. Okay, running faster. I will not look at the back. If I look, the tsunami will catch me. Okay. I'm there. Almost there. And yes! We got the Celestial. Wow! Look at that. 161 million per second. Okay, nice. Diamond Octopus. Okay, let's get more. So guys, I'm gonna fast forward this and get some Lavaka. I want a Lavaka. So if my dragon cannelloni base now will be turned to Lavaka Saturnino. Yes, I'm getting guys, this also a tips. While you're I can use the spin while I'm kick auto on here. Okay, so we got some money. That's good. Okay, now we're gonna fast forward this. Ayan, guys. And oops, someone leave. My friend. Again. Oh no. If your friend is leave, the auto kick will be cancelled. So you need to move it. So let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, Saturn, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need 2 more Labaka. Okay, so we need it faster. Okay, so guys, I think I grind it like 2 hours more to get this 10 Labaka Saturnino. Okay, so I'm gonna change my Dragon Cannelloni. Okay, into Labaka Saturnino, Saturnita. The ruby, normal, golden, and also the diamond. I'm the Neo, void, and galaxy. Also the rainbow. I don't have it yet. I need to put this. Where's the 2? Okay. Gonna put here the Labaka Saturnito. Later, I'm gonna sell this after I rebirth. Oops. Now we're gonna kick again. We're gonna use the auto, and we'll grind like 3 hours to get another 10 Labaka Saturnito. So this is super fast. Fast, fast, fast. And let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, oops! You earned 24 hours VIP, 25 cash, gold VIP tag. So, I play it 1 hour. I received that. Oh, why it can't go up? Oops! I'm going to the 2nd floor. Oh man. This is tricky. Okay. So here I'm gonna jump. Oh right, I got it. So we put Labaka Saturno, Saturnita. Here, you see 34 to 340 M. Oh, it's 95 to 55, 127. Okay, let's turn my base into Labaka Saturnita. Oh, I got 2 more. By the way, if I use auto kicking, I am AFK. So I did not notice that I got more Labaka Saturnita. Okay. Oh, this is all gold. Because I have the 2 times mutation. So guys, bought that. You will It will help you also for the mutation. You can get more gold and up. Diamond, void, neon, galaxy, and the rainbow. So this has 5 billion. I'm gonna change this position. I think I will save at least 4 dragon that I already upgrade. I'm gonna get these 2 neon dragon cannelloni and put beside this void. These 2 small void I will put the other side. So I think I need so I need 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 more Labaca Saturnito I need. So my base is complete of Labaca or Celestial. So the best in Celestial is the Labaca Saturnito. So we're gonna grind again like ours again. We get 1, 2, 3. And we exchange or swap. We swap. Celestial. Another Celestial Labaca Saturnito and another Diamond. Wow, that's great. This is nice. So we're gonna now, before we gonna revert, we're gonna upgrade. First is the ruby. So let's upgrade some ruby Labaca Saturnito. Okay, 102M. Oh, the normal one is 55. Upgrade again. Okay, let's go in the second. Upgrade. Oh, get them. Upgrade in the second floor or going up. So I jump. This ladder is tricky. Oh, 127. It's 80 something, but now it's 127. Oh, it's better in the ocean. Okay, we'll say 127. That's did I something? Okay, so let's go to the second floor. Jump! Yeah. Oh, there's the diamond, so we're gonna upgrade this first. 7 trillion more and diamond. Okay, 1 trillion more. Okay, so billion. this is okay. Now let's rebirth. Oh, we rebirth and we're gonna sell what we get. So this in our inventory, we're gonna sell this. And wait na. Where's the word? Ayan. Sell inventory. We got 474 billion. So need speed. I think I can buy the wheat. So it's 500 billion. So we're gonna go for the gold, mega golden barbell. So now I'm going to buy upgrades for speed also. Think buy it what you think, guys? I think I can in the 120. I can. I don't have enough money for that. So guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and also comment below your username. I will give away a Lavaca Saturnito. I will choose in the comment section. So, comment it now your user's name, guys. So, in my next videos, stay tuned. I will make more video of some tips about this game. And I will catch up in the leaderboard also. Okay, that's all for today. See you on my next video. Bye!